Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports the 5G bands your carrier uses, because capability matters for speed. Once verified, insert an active 5G SIM and enable mobile data and location. Only Way needs them to discover networks. Open the official store and install Only Way, then grant permissions when prompted so background location and network access work. These first steps unlock the app's tools. Do them now, and you'll avoid connectivity errors later. You sign in next. Use SMS or email verification to secure your profile, because Only Way ties settings to your account. Once logged in, run the guided network scan. It maps current signal strength, band, and cell ID so you know where 5G performs best. Make sure to enable background scanning and select your preferred 5G mode, standalone or non-standalone, so the app can collect ongoing telemetry. After scanning, review the heat map. It tells you why one spot has better throughput than another. You finish by applying Only Way's optimizations. Switch to the recommended band, adjust network priority, or move to the location the heat map highlights. These actions change your real-world throughput. Run the app speed test and diagnostics to confirm improvement and save results for comparison over time. If performance still lags, toggle airplane mode briefly, reboot your device, then rescan. If that fails, collect diagnostics and contact support. One key tip: reboot before reporting. It resolves many transient 5G issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.